Welcome to our comparison video where we delve into the world of under-desk treadmills, focusing on the Goplus 2-in-1 folding superfit and the Yagud under-desk treadmill. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, aiming to help you decide which treadmill suits your indoor walking or running needs best. Design is a crucial factor when choosing an under-desk treadmill. The Goplus boasts an innovative 2-in-1 folding design, allowing it to seamlessly transition between a flat under-desk treadmill and a more traditional inclined treadmill with a front handlebar. This versatility is highlighted by reviewers who appreciate the ability to switch between walking and running modes. On the other hand, the Yagud treadmill, while also offering a 2-in-1 experience, is praised for its sleek, compact design that fits well in smaller spaces. Reviewers love its bigger and wider size than expected, making it a comfortable fit for their homes. When it comes to performance, both treadmills have their strengths. The Goplus features a powerful 2.25 HP motor, making it ideal for users who enjoy a quiet yet effective workout session. This is complemented by its multi-layer, non-slip running belt, which reviewers claim feels like running on a cloud. The Yagud, with its slightly more robust 2.5 HP motor, offers a sturdy and reliable performance, suitable for both walking and jogging. Its shock absorbers effectively reduce noise, making it a favorite among users who need to keep noise to a minimum, such as during Zoom meetings. In terms of features, the Goplus 2-in-1 folding superfit stands out with its Bluetooth speakers, phone holder, remote control, and app control, offering a more interactive and convenient workout experience. Reviewers appreciate these additional perks, highlighting the treadmill's user-friendly approach. The Yagud, while simpler in its offerings with a basic LED display and remote control, is commended for its straightforward, no-frills design that prioritizes functionality. Its quiet operation and ease of use are particularly noted by reviewers who prefer to focus solely on their workout. Overall, online reviews revealed that both the Goplus and Yagud under-desk treadmills are well received by users. The Goplus is celebrated for its versatility, quiet operation, and range of features that enhance the workout experience. The Yagud, on the other hand, is praised for its sturdy build, compact design, and functional simplicity, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a straightforward and reliable treadmill. We hope this comparison has shed some light on the Goplus 2-in-1 folding superfit and the Yagud under-desk treadmill. If you're in the market for an under-desk treadmill, consider what aspects are most important to you: versatility and features, or compactness and functionality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description for more information.
Happy shopping!